Hòstia, no enfoca.
Now heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing. Alleluia, 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 alleluia. Your faith was strong, but you needed proofs. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat and cut your hair, and from your lips she drew thee. Alleluia, 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 alleluia. I tried to feel it wasn't much. I didn't feel, so I tried to touch. I told the truth, I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my tongue but alleluia, 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 alleluia.
Muy bien, Belén.